Hello friends, welcome to iPharma. In this vlog, we're going to be having a small interactive session with one of my senior, Pooja Jaiswal ma'am. She is from NIPA Hyderabad and her department is pharmaceutical analysis. So let's head over to the discussion. Hello and welcome Pooja ma'am, and thanks for joining me on my channel iPharma. So before we just get to our discussion, I'll request you to please introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay, so hello. As Pratik said, I am Pooja Jaiswal. I have completed my master's in pharmaceutical analysis from NIPER Hyderabad, and I'm currently be working with Novartis. So yeah, pretty much that's my introduction.
Okay, that's
But,
good, ma'am.
yeah.
So, ma'am, as in pharma student, how was your peregrination from your bachelor's to master's, ma'am? Your journey from bachelor's to master's?
You can say like in my final year, like BPharm final year, there was a craze. Like if you want to do research, you need to go in NIPER.
Yeah.
So during that time, we started working on like preparation GPAT, NIPER, and as soon as the GPAT progressed, I lost like, is it possible to crack that exam?
Yeah.
So, so with a lot of hard work and dedication, I finally I cracked the NIPER JE, and I distinctly remember it was a very unique experience, like choosing the stream which you want. There are so many if you go into that counseling session, so there are so many things, like you just get overwhelmed by looking at what's happening, like what I should select. But I'll just say to anyone like who is watching this, please like select one subject, do a thorough research, like which guide you want, and then apply to NIPER, like which NIPER you want based on your rank also.
Okay.
So I'll say, and like my B farm was pretty much good. It was pretty chill. But as soon as I migrated into NIPER, I saw a variety of culture here. Like there were people from different parts of country, all with the same caliber, all with one passion to pursue research and do something unique and great. Even pharma MBA people. So it was a very unique experience. Like in like as I am from Mumbai, so I know people from Mumbai how they are, but I don't know how people from Himachal Pradesh are. So once you come into NIPER, you get to interact with PhDs as well as your colleagues who are from different parts, and it's a very unique and good experience.
Okay.
That's what I say.
Okay. So, ma'am, as your department is analysis, so tell us something about your department. How actually the thing goes in analysis and what the department actually does.
Analysis is like the backbone of every other department, like be it from medicinal chemistry who synthesize the molecules, to pharmaceutics who formulate it, and the pharmacological people who, those who test on tissues and everything. But for every process, the substance need to be pure, and it needs to have a certain quality, and that pharmaceutical analysis people does. So in my department, in analysis, generally we do studies like stability studies, where we check the whether the drug is stable or not, whether it's API or its formulation, or post degradation studies, like the if my product degrades or if my API degrades, then what will happen, what, like is it not genotoxic or something, like we try to find it out. Then there is drug metabolism and pharmacokinetic studies. Then in analysis, like in Hyderabad, we have peptide NMR. We also have now microfluidics, and we have X-ray crystallography. So there are so many different you can say different areas. Yeah, instruments are there, and that too high tech instruments which you won't be finding in any normal college. Like if you compare yourself, if you compare an Hyperion with a student like who is from a normal university, you will see a vast difference between them, because the kind of training which NIPER gives, you won't find in other institutes. That's what I personally feel. Yeah.
So, ma'am, how was your 2 year journey of NIPER then?
Oh, what can I say? It was so much fun. Like once I entered, like during my initial days, starting days, I had just one friend of mine who was in the same college. Like we both went there. but slowly we started interacting with other people from other departments too, just not this. And we had a group of like people from every department, so we came to know what goes in every department and in other departments also, and we can do like interdisciplinary research.
Yeah.
So apart from that, Niper has means I enjoyed personally Niper a lot, and that's a different story that we were stuck in this lockdown at home.
Yeah.
But in the limited time that we got, actually Niper gave us so many things. Like it provided us a all round you can say development of us. Yeah.
So, ma'am, your point of view on the jobs and the campus placement that goes in NIPA Hyderabad?
Job and campus placement,
Campus
I can
placement.
say, yeah. See, I'll tell you the story like about our year. If you can see, those who have opted for PhD, like let's not consider them, but those who have opted for job, almost 95% of us are placed.
That's nice.
Okay. So Niper works extremely hard to place their students. Companies like Novartis, then there is Syngene, like such companies, IQVIA, they come and they recruit Niperians. They want talented people and that. And if you can say, for job profile, there is always a technical side and a non-technical side.
Yes.
Okay, in technical side, you can go for research and development, and in non-technical, you can go for the clinical database sort of things, market analyst. Like Niper doesn't distinguish between like it's an M.Pharm student or an MBA student. It gives opportunity to everyone. Like that's a different story. Like research people will go in research only, but if they want to go for market analyst or something, they won't let you down here. You can't sit for the interview like that. So they try to place every student in every possible company, and that too with good packages. So I was pretty blessed in this process.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah.
So, ma'am, after this, all the questions, let's take a small break and of a small rapid fire round we are having.
Okay.
So, are you ready for it?
Okay.
So, I just fire up the questions.
Sure.
So, what was your most incredible moment in NIPA Hyderabad? Answer just must be in one word or single answer you have to give, not to replace the
Sports,
answer. Okay.
actually.
Okay. So
Sports.
what? Okay. So what's the most worst thing that you ever done?
What most worst thing? I can say that I have not utilized the full potential which I could have in Niper, like my full potential.
Describe yourself in 3 words. Describe yourself in 3 words.
I'm hardworking.
Okay.
Then I'm smart.
Okay.
And yeah, I'm career driven. Like.
Okay.
Sorry.
So best of NIPA Hyderabad. What is best of NIPA Hyderabad?
People.
Best
no
of
doubt, people.
Best of yours? Best of yours.
Best of mine. I didn't get the question actually. Like.
What is just best of yours? Means something best quality of yours that just can be an answer for this.
You have known me. You know me. So okay. You decide.
The most craziest thing that you can do all the day.
The most craziest
thing that you can do all the day.
All the day?
Yeah, all the day.
Call me a nerd, but I can draw diagrams all the day. Like for.
Okay. So, favorite professor of NIPA Hyderabad?
Rajesh sir.
Rajesh sir, okay. So, NIPA Hyderabad best friend from your batch?
From my batch? Harshita Dalvi. She's from Sutix.
Okay. Yeah. So, ma'am, do you feel that you were wiser or somewhat smarter than others in your department?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, because I participated in every thing which came into my way, be it workshops or sports, and then like Niper provides everything.
Yeah, okay. So if not pharmaceutical analysis as your department, what might be the another department might you have just preferred?
I would have taken pharmacoinformatics from Mohali.
Okay. So, ma'am, rank the NIPA Hyderabad department from 1 to 5 as per ascending order, as per your choice of preference.
Okay, sure. First will be, I'll go with analysis
Okay.
because
Analysis.
for sure. Second, I'll go for Sutix,
So
then medicinal chemistry, then
Yes.
pharmacology and toxicology.
Okay. That's great. You
Yes.
answered all the questions. So, ma'am, the last question of this session, small message from your side for the juniors, those who are currently studying in the NIPER and those who are preparing for the NIPER.
I'll say those who are studying for NIPER, like, work hard for it. Studying in NIPER is one of the unique experience you can get. And trust me when I say this, because the kind of research which happens in NIPER is something very different, which won't happen in different institute. I won't say different institute are bad, but I support NIPER because uh, it's a government-based institute. You get a stipend, and you get to work with all good instruments. You get hands-on experience with that, and along with that, you have workshops, and they boost you to take different kind of courses related to your stream. Like I have done a course in DMPK. So NIPER provides a all-round experience and the development of a student. That's what. And for those who are in NIPER, I will say, just whenever you go into the college or do something, just interact with everyone. You never know which PhD student will might be able to help you. Like be it, uh, for example, if I am from analysis and I want to do some DMPK studies like metabolite profiling, so I need rat plasma. Okay, so from where I will get it? I won't go and take out the rat plasma, right? I am not trained for that, but pharmacology people are there. So you need to create a rapport between everyone, every PhD, and apart from that, do participate in workshops, and please do take additional courses also. It's going to boost your career in in a good manner. So like just don't rely on one thing. Try to touch cover every area
Every aspect
when
in
you are in
area.
life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That's
with
what I
that, so with that, we are ending our session, ma'am. Thanks for joining us. So
thank you.
okay, so if you like the video, then do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new on my channel to never miss any new updates. So thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for calling me
Thank you.
and giving me this
My pleasure.
opportunity.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.